Well, here we are. Day 4 of our beautiful, beautiful storm here. April. Had a green Christmas. Green Christmas and a white Easter. This is just insane. It's not fair. I'm so ready for summer. Look at this crap. It's just ridiculous. I'm standing up to my ankles, or my kneecaps right now. Ankles. I wish it was only ankle deep. Waiting for my daughter. Hopefully her dad is going to bring her out. He said he was anyway. This is just insanity.